Spaghetti vongole, it's a very classic traditional dish to Italy using clams. So we're going to use some fresh ones here from Ireland. To start off, firstly, you have your spaghetti. So just open the packet. We have some boiling water on, so come along and season it. Really, really important that it tastes like the sea. We go straight in then with a good handful of spaghetti. So we're going to feed 2 people with this one. Straight in. And then press it down. Now, while your spaghetti is cooking away and boiling away there, keep it on like a kind of high heat. And then we start off then with your frying pan. So frying pan onto a really, really high heat. We have 2 cloves of garlic. So we're just gonna peel and chop the garlic. So get rid of the skin. All you need to do then is just literally chop this roughly. And then we have the stalks of some parsley. So I just have them picked off here. And the stalks actually have a lot of kind of fresh flavor in there as well. So give them a rough chop. Lovely. So these go straight into the pan. So a bit of olive oil. So good quality olive oil if you can. And then straight in with these. Okay, so they will spit, so stand away. Get yourself a wooden spoon. Give it a really good stir in there. Turn down the heat now, a little bit. If you're here and you're able to smell this, the smell of the garlic and the parsley is really, really fresh. It's really, really good. Next thing is you want to chop your chili. I'll just use half. I don't like it too spicy. And then straight in. So we're going to fry those off as well. To that, we add then some cherry tomatoes. So try and get different colors if you can, because they look absolutely amazing. And I just tear them in. You can cut them into quarters if you want. That's perfectly fine. But I like to just kind of bust them straight in there. Now, give them a really, really good stir. And at this stage, turn up the heat to the highest on your hob. Now make sure with your clams, the thing is, wash off all the grit, all the sand off them under a cold tap. I normally try to go through them one by one if you can. We're going to go straight in with them. There. And then what we do is we want some white wine. So we want some sort of liquid so they can steam. So about half a glass to a glass of white wine in there. And then we put a lid on. Okay, so your clams will take 2 to 3 minutes. Don't forget, keep shaking every now and again just to agitate them and let them open further. You'll see a good load of them open up. Sometimes a few of them don't, which means you just discard the ones that don't open up and don't eat them, okay? Get rid of your lid, there. And then we're literally going with the pasta straight into the clams, okay? So take some of the water with you. Again, we want to emulsify the water from the pasta into the white wine in here as well. I do add like a little bit from the saucepan as well. So that's starchy water. It's kind of the starch comes off the pasta when you're cooking it, and what happens is it thickens the sauce in here. Okay, now be careful when you're doing this, but give it a little toss, like that, okay? And then to finish it, I like this, okay? This is lemon zest, so this becomes really, really fresh. Really, really good. We have a little bit of the juice as well, not too much, just half a lemon. Then I like a kind of shine and gloss to it, so I add some Irish butter. Finally then, just to finish it off, so you let that reduce down, the butter will melt instantly. We want to chop up some parsley. Okay, so just have a little look. Yeah, the sauce is thick and lovely here now. Clams look absolutely amazing. The last thing to do is just to have a taste of it. So get yourself a spoon, taste the juice. Yeah, I think it just needs a tiny little touch of sea salt over top. So that's literally it. You're ready to serve it. We go straight in. Okay. And then to finish, finally, your chopped parsley. There you have it, guys, a really, really simple spaghetti vongole recipe for you to make at home. So quick and so simple. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, share, and comment below with your recipe suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. Till next time, see you soon.